Welcome to a world where luxury meets perfection. From the breathtaking entrance to the grand living spaces, every corner of this mansion reflects elegance and sophistication. The gourmet kitchen blends modern technology with timeless design, while the master suite offers a private sanctuary of peace and comfort. A spa-inspired bathroom, private cinema, indoor pool, and stunning rooftop terrace redefine what it means to live in style. This is not just a house. It is a masterpiece of architecture and a symbol of extraordinary living.